come to the elevators at the Science and Engineering Classroom Building at University of Houston, Texas. This will be a daylight take since I filmed this during the night the last time. These are MEI elevators. It's got an epic motor as well. 2. So bright. Your phone. And your fixtures. I'm going on 1. Send this one away and we'll capture the other elevator car. Let's see if we can capture that lantern. I'm gonna wait till the other elevator car stops so then we can hear the motor on this one. That light bulb's burnt out. Not as loud as the other one. Your phone. Similar elevator. And your fixtures. And I now notice the emergency light is way up in the corner towards the ceiling. The left elevator car is just exactly like that too. And here we are at 1. Let's watch it close. Here's the Metro Rail train horn. Anyways, there you go, and that's it.